Here's a sneak preview of our new blue healer pack. Inside this main case here, we've got a 30 amp DC to DC controller, we've got a 20 amp solar controller, and we can even fit in a 30 amp 240 volt AC controller. We've got the Cymarine display, which will show batteries, tanks, temperature and inclinometer, classic switch. We've got 4 breaker switches here, and then next door to it here is the 2000 watt smart inverter, and it connects in through the sides down here that you can see, and inside the main case here are 2 Amphenol connectors. So this is plug and play. This just plugs in, push that in, 2 main battery leads going out. Absolutely perfect for the do-it-yourself 4-wheel driver, or for those who really want to upgrade their caravans. The total pack when it comes together here, 500 wide, 500 high, and only 140 deep, and it's all 100% Bluetooth and Wi-Fi control. Latest technology. How good's that?